Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Serber and this is my fifth video for 5 new technologies. The website I chose is Storybots and I just love Storybots, and the reason why is because I feel like they're a fun and encouraging way for children or students to understand different subjects and theme content. Also, I love Storybots because they offer a bunch of different educational tools, such as TV shows, videos, music, and books. So here I pulled up their website, and I'm going to go over here to TV shows and click on TV shows. And if you scroll down, it just shows you their different TV shows and that you can find them on Netflix. And I did a little research on Storybots because I just wanted to know a little bit more about them. And I found out that they actually stream in over 190 countries, and Storybots has been translated into 22 different languages, which I feel is just amazing. Also, I found out that the creators of Storybots are brothers, and they actually created Jib Jab as well. And the reason why they wanted to start this children's education franchise is because they wanted to impact their children the same way that like Sesame Street and Jim Henson impacted them when they were children. If you go up here to the right hand side again and now click on videos, it lists a whole bunch of videos that they have. And you can find these videos on YouTube. One of my favorites is this little planet one right here. It talks about the planets and the solar system. And I just feel like these videos are so captivating to children because they use bright colors, they use fun music. So I just wanted to show you a little portion of this video on YouTube so you can kind of see why kids would be super engaged and comprehend the information that they are teaching.
We are the planets of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. The music never ends, we are such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
Here comes the sun, rapping first on this track. From the beginning, I'm the center of the solar system. Planets be spinning around me, so hot, I'm roasting, you see. Now I pass the mic to the planet closest to me.
Mercury, the smallest planet.
So I just feel like in the classroom, these would be really fun ways to get those subjects across to the kids. Over here in the top right, you can see the music, and we're going to click on music and see where you can stream the music through Amazon, Apple, Google, and Spotify. Also, they offer books. I'm going to scroll down and show some of the books. We have ABCs, Cars Are Cool, Trucks Are Terrific. So I feel like Storybots is a great way to bring educational information into the classroom and at home. So at home, you could offer these educational TV shows or get some of the books. And in the classroom, you can bring up some of those videos and music and even get some books into your classroom. So I just wanted to share Storybots with you all and the reason why I like it so much.